Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with BGMgirl hair. They sent me this 6x4.5 pre-plucked lace closure unit in 180 density, and it is a pre-cut lace as well in their ocean wave, which is an upgraded version of a body wave, and 22 inches. So we are getting that length, we're getting that fullness. This 22 is eating, and these curls are to die for. This unit is 100% glueless. I can go ahead and stick my comb up and pass it through because girl, I'm gonna show you guys in the unboxing why this unit is glueless, and throughout this whole install you'll see I use no adhesive spray whatsoever. I'm living for these curls, and thank you so much to BGMgirl here for sponsoring today's video. Let's jump into the tutorial.
Navigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass low. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DMA electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on the dog. Catch your contact, hit your ride, go tomorrow. Everybody say, how can you come about your face and say I hit the hardest nigga you never heard? I left off like a rapper's dead and bird. The verse from me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every word. I'm on the bird, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hot man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the bed, I can find you. 6'1" with a money 9'2". We just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. I can make a brick walk, up, no, down, so bank hit a bitch walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward, book a fed and it's quarter. I'm a ready come down, I supply the sugar in the bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the limo, she gon' ride. I see them painted, shot it like ride. I'm in the London with some big dots. Don't fry, she takes with the fish dots. Did your mama tell you something, no vibe, stop dropping low. I've been on the road like a pair of spinners of stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch, you ain't demon. Got your brother in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it when he won't wanna see me. Meet me at the window. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the bed, I can find you. 6'1" with a money 9'2". We just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. got fight stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Eating like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm of the underworld. Why treat a nigga like he 12? How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? All level, I am the I am. I film it with the drone cam and the pink like killer cam. Zoom on that stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Think about the eyes back in, so rollin', ride. Rollin' when you ride, ride. I won, speed, I didn't turn to like some dirty back. 2016, run some distance. 2017, ideas playing off the Walkman. This is cold, not a click on it. With a cup in a car, activate. I should double in just a night. And I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the air, make my lungs sick. Chopper in the sky like a gun trick. Clips on clips like Mike. Oh, it's really all. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleep, snow, grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and this gorgeous wig is from BGMgirl Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 22-inch ocean wave 180 density 6x4 HD lace closure unit, and this unit is absolutely gorgeous. As you guys can see, these curls are really pretty much like wand curls. If you were to use an iron like this, like a really thick iron, I'm really not sure what inch this is. It's just a Remington iron. I wish I could tell you, but girl, you know, you just buy an iron. But this gorgeous wig was so easy to work with, so easy to install, and while in correspondence they said this wig is just the updated version of a body wave unit and that it can be worn straight out the pack without a curling iron. I do agree I didn't need a curling iron, but I did use a wand because if you go ahead and you bleach the knots, which you don't necessarily need to do because of how small these knots are, you're gonna find that the hair gets wet up here, so you have to do some type of reinforcement for the curls to look somewhat uniformed. But if you wanted to just, you know, wear it fresh out of the pack, giving that natural vibe, you could totally do that. And I'm living for these waves I created in the front, and the curl pattern is really nice and it blends as well, so you don't necessarily have to go in and do the whole wanding all around. It's just in the front, and we're looking like this straight out the pack. The hair is nice and soft. It was easy to work with, easy to maneuver and manipulate into this style. I love how nice and big this hair is, super bouncy, and you know, it's just giving life. It's giving wedding tease. Like if a bride had this hair, it would just be so beautiful, and it would definitely last all day because of the pre-curled waves and the curl pattern. I'm loving this look from BGMgirl Hair, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. It is glueless, so all I did was mousse it down, but I can definitely put my comb through and go like so, because girl, it never gave glue your wig down. This hair comes with, these wigs come with reinforceable bands and extra clips for you to add in, so I did just that, and voila, I literally can take this unit off whenever I feel like it, especially when it's a hot summer night and I just want to sleep with, you know, no wig on, or you don't want to mess these curls up. You could definitely take your unit off. And yeah, this 180 density is really nice and full, and that is pretty much my review. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit, I would highly recommend this in 22 inches, and the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.